Okay, so here at this station, you are going to do the same and cut on the solid lines. You should have this down by the end of these stations, doing these foldables because they're all the same, cutting on the solid lines. You should be able to do this pretty quickly. Okay. So, did that. Then I'm going to cut the solid line all the way across. And then these we're just cutting to the dotted line. That. Okay. And if you need to pause it, go ahead and pause it so you can finish cutting. After you're done cutting, you're going to fold on the dotted line, make your anchor tab. On both of those, you fold on the dotted line. And then you're going to glue those anchor tabs down in your journal. So put some glue on the tab. And then it doesn't matter really which one goes on either side, as long as you get them both in there. And I'm going to glue this tab. Okay, so we have 4 problems for calculating speed, and once you have them glued down there, you are going to work the problems. Now you can lift these up so that you can work the problems underneath the actual questions. So I'm going to remind you somewhere, if you want to write, that speed equals distance divided by time. Oops, sorry. I did that to where you couldn't see it. Okay. Speed equals distance divided by time. And I put d over t, but if you need to write the word, you can do that. So you're going to use this same formula for all 4 of these problems because they're distance problems. They're speed problems. I'm going to help you out with, let's see, probably this one here. These 2 are both a little bit more difficult. Just something we haven't practiced a whole lot with is calculating the speed from a graph. But I think you can do it. I'll help you with this one, and then you should be able to do this one. So it says the question is, what is the average speed of the boat between 4 and 6 minutes? So I know that I need to do speed equals distance divided by time. Okay, and I'm only looking at the section between 4 and 6 minutes. So 4 minutes and 6 minutes. This is all that I'm looking at right here. I don't care about any of this other stuff because it's only asking me about the speed between 4 and 6 minutes. Okay, so I need the distance for my graph. To find the speed, I need the distance that this boat traveled between 4 and 6 minutes. So at 4 minutes, he was at 500 meters. At 6 minutes, he was at 1,000 meters. So he traveled 500 meters. So I'm going to write 500 meters. Okay, and the time from 4 to 6 seconds is 2 seconds. So my time is 2 seconds. And then you divide. 500 divided by 2 is 250. So my speed equals 250 meters per second. So the main thing to understand on these graphs is that you have to realize where are they asking for the speed. They're not asking for the speed of the whole graph. They're asking for the speed just between 4 and 6. So you only need the distance traveled between 4 and 6 and the time between 4 and 6. Okay? And then for this one, you're going to do it on your own. Just know that they're only asking you the average speed of the runner at 4 seconds. So what was her average speed at this point? Okay, so you need her distance and time at that point. All right, so you're going to solve these 4 under the flip tab, and that is it.